Noon, you guys, I am taking a break, and then I just wanted to try to make my face look a little bit better. And I started thinking about something. I started to think about some of my clients and some people that I've met on the Facebook pages that I follow. Some people think that the intervals between their retightenings are just not enough. Some people would like to come 7 to 8 weeks, even 9 weeks after their last retightening. For some, that's okay. But for others, that is just too long of a time. And I think that's something that you should work out with your loctician. Because what we have to stop thinking or change our mindsets about is that when you go in for a retightening, that's the only thing that is going to happen. And the only thing you're looking for is growth. Your loctician should be placing her attention on more than whether or not your locks have grown. But they also are focused on whether or not you have some damage to your locks. Now, fixing damage to your locks could be a whole nother appointment if you take too long to go to your loctician. Because there are so many things that could happen. There could be slippage. There could be locks breaking. There could be weakness within your locks. There could be holes in your lock. And if your loctician catches that in time, those things can be repaired during your retightening appointment. Because locticians allot a certain amount of time for retightening. And as long as it does not go past that time, you may be able to catch it in time before your hair shows too much damage. I am going to show you the results of a client of mine who scheduled a 6-week appointment and then rescheduled that appointment for almost 3 weeks later. Once she came in for her retightening, there was a lot of things going on. And I'm just going to show you a clip of some of the things that was going on in her locks so that you can see, and it will cause you to think about whether or not you're going in a timely manner to make sure that you maintain healthy locks. Now, I'd like to also thank my subscribers for all the support that you give me. Thank you for helping me to build this channel and just giving me so much support, positive feedback, and just hanging in there with me. I really appreciate you. If you're watching this video and you have not subscribed to this channel yet, go ahead and join the G&G family. Click the subscribe button and the notification bell so you will know every time I upload a video. Because we just love to have you. There's an open invitation 24/7 for you to join. It will cost you nothing, but it might benefit you in a lot of different ways. Now let's go ahead and we're going to watch the clip of the things that happened within my client's locks. You see the middle? Right there in the middle. I think that's good. And then I got one turned all the way around somewhere back here. I gotta find it. Oh, and I forgot. One thing I forgot is that I have styled my hair. And if you would like to see how I achieve this look, keep watching. Just keep watching. This is This is a sister who loves her locks. I love my friends, my family, my subscribers, and my followers. But I especially love God because he's been so good to me. He's been better to me than I could even imagine to be to myself. Because he can do those things above that I could ever ask or think. Have a great day. My 360. Mm-mm.